Stop using bacon for bacon jam. The cut is wrong. Ever buy a jar of bacon jam? Sugar, soft fat, no bite. Everybody does it. Nobody admits it. This is how to make guanciale jam. Chestnut honey, balsamic, no oil. Start with the guanciale. First pass is even slices. Then those slices become strips. Listerel. Keep fat and lean in the same strip. Do not split them. Pan on. Medium-low heat, not high. High heat fries the fat. Do not add oil, do not add butter. Nothing else. Guanciale carries its own fat. Wait for the first clear fat. Stay on medium-low. My balcony, my rego. Now let it sudare. Sweat, slow. If the heat spikes, the meat fries and the fat burns. We want clear fat, crispy edges. Listen to that. Sfrigolio. While the guanciale works, slice the onions. Keep onion weight under the raw guanciale. 2/3, not more. More onion and this turns into onion jam. We are not making onion jam. We are making guanciale jam. The strips are ready when the edges go rigid and shiny. That is crispy. Pull them then, not later. Every drop of fat stays in the pan. I run one full balcony method every Wednesday. Next video, this jam goes on pork belly burnt ends. Subscribe if you want that cook, not a jar recipe. Onions go into that fat. Only that fat. Cook them until they go passé. Soft, collapsed. They must melt in the mouth. Then they are ready. Return the crispy guanciale to the onions. They have to meet while the onions are still wet. A splash of whiskey over the pan. Do not rush. The alcohol must evaporate. When the sting leaves the steam, you move. Paprika and sugar rub. That is the BBQ backbone. 2 spoons of chestnut honey. Not a mild honey. Chestnut. Then balsamic vinegar. Guanciale. Chestnut. Balsamic. That is the whole twist. Low heat. Stay with the pan. The liquid has to soak in. All of it. When the spoon leaves a glossy trail, stop. Guanciale is pork jowl, not pancetta, not smoked bacon. That is why the bite stays in the jam. First taste, crispy bread or a cracker, no plate, no garnish, just the jam. You can serve it with a confit egg. Use cold eggs from the fridge. The yolks stay stronger. Separate the yolks into a bowl. Cover the yolks with olive oil. The oil must bury every yolk. Foil on the bowl. Oven or air fryer, 100 degrees Celsius, 25 to 30 minutes. Bread down, spread the egg, a dust of pecorino, a heavy spoon of this guanciale jam, egg first, cheese second, jam last, abundant. That is the bruschetta. Simply spaziale.